Hi class, today's lesson is exercise 8b, Venn diagrams. You don't need to copy this out, but I just wanted to remind you what a Venn diagram is. So if you look at these questions here, it says how many people drink both coffee and tea? Coffee and tea is this overlap section here, so there's two people that drink both. The next question says how many drink tea? So this whole circle, they're the tea drinkers. So we've got two people that drink both coffee and tea and one person that just drinks tea. So altogether, there are three. Next one, how many do not drink coffee? So this one tea person, they don't drink coffee. And the outside people, they don't drink either. So 4 altogether don't drink coffee. And the last one, the probability don't drink either. So there's the 3 that don't drink either. And altogether there were 11 people surveyed. So 3 out of 11. You're going to need to copy the next 6 Venn diagrams into your book. I'm going to run through what each of them mean and the areas they represent. So the first one is A. So this whole circle here is A. So in your book, you're going to shade this whole circle because that's all A. The next one, A dash. That dash means not A. So everything that's not A. So the outside's not A. And this section's not A either. But the overlap is A, so we don't colour that in. And the rest of the circle as well. This symbol means or. So A or B. So A or B, that's this, A or B. Alright, then the next one means and. So A and B. So like both of them. So this is A and B. This means A and not B. So basically it means A only. So A only is this. So A and not B. So we're not colouring in that middle bit. And then this last one, it means not A and not B. So basically it means neither A nor B, which is just all the outside bit here. Neither A nor B. So make sure you copy these into your book because we'll be referring to them for the whole topic. Just some terminology for you. If it says list the set A, that means write everything in A. A would be the number of elements in A, so just count how many things there are. And PRA is a probability of A. Mutually exclusive means there's no elements in common. So if we had a Venn diagram, and in A only there was 3, and in B only there was 5, but there's no overlap, so nothing that's A and B. When drawing a Venn diagram, you must do the middle section first, otherwise you'll get it wrong. So you must do the part that is both first. Let's do this example. Of a group of 10 people, 7 like soccer, 5 like basketball, and 3 like both. 1 likes neither soccer nor basketball. So I need to do the middle section first, so the part that's both. So here, 3 like both. So I put the 3 in the middle. Next I can do the soccer, so 7 like soccer. So in here, I already have 3 people from soccer, so they're in the both section. So to work out what goes in the rest of the Venn diagram, I need to do 7 minus 3. So there's 4 people that just like soccer. And then the basketball, we've got 5 like basketball. So in here, I'll do 5 minus the middle section that's already there. So 5 minus 3 is 2. And we've got 1 that likes neither. So that goes on the outside. To make sure I'm correct, I always add it up, see if it makes the starting number. So 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Yep, that makes 10. This one has an extra step. 11 people were surveyed, 6 eat cake, 3 eat ice cream, and 2 eat both. So I always do my both first. So 2 eat both, so 2 in the middle. And I better label this, we've got cake and ice cream. Okay, so we've got 6 eat cake. So in here, I'll do 6 minus 2, which is 4. And we've got 3 eat ice cream. So 3 minus 2, which is 1. Okay, if I'm adding this up now, I've got 4 plus 2 plus 1. That equals 7, but there were 11 people surveyed. So that means 11 minus 7, I've got 4 people that like neither. But it wasn't stated in the question, but we've had to figure it out. Alright, let's have a go with just answering some questions. So, what's the probability that someone likes cake only? So cake only, that's 4 out of 11. Probability both cake and ice cream, that's the middle section, so 2 out of 11. And neither cake nor ice cream, we just worked out there were 4 people that didn't like either. Alright, last example. A number is chosen from the numbers 3 to 12. Set A is the even numbers and set B is the numbers with 2 digits. So we're going to try and put this in a Venn diagram. I always would list the sample space first. So we've got the numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then I'm going to list set A, so it's the even numbers, so we've got 2, oh, 2 is not included, I've got 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and set B is the numbers with 2 digits, so I've got 10, 11, 12. Alright, now I can do my Venn diagram. So I always do the section that's like the middle, the one that's both. So numbers that are in both, we've got 10 and 12 are in both. So we've got 2 in the middle. And then I can fill out the rest of A. So then I've got 1, 2, 3 numbers that were just A. And then the rest of B, I've got 1 number that's just in B. And then I've got my odd numbers that are under 2 digits, so that'll be neither. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So my Venn diagram's done. Now I can answer the questions. So it says probability of A. So remember that's the whole A circle. That's this whole circle here. So 3 plus 2 is 5 out of there's 10 numbers altogether. Next one, probability of A and B. So that's just the overlap, the middle section. So 2 out of 10. And probability of A or B, so that's like the 2 circles, 3 plus 2 plus 1. So I've got 6 out of 10. These are the textbook questions to do today. Just a quick note, so question 1 talks about the first 10 positive integers. That's just a fancy way of saying the numbers 1 to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way up to 10.